Can the PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan provide financial security for your loved ones? In this review, we will explore the plan's features, advantages, disadvantages, and returns analysis. We will also compare it with other investment options to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan is an individual, non-linked, non-participating, pure risk premium life insurance plan. First, let us look at the features of the plan. Tailor your premium payment with limited pay or regular pay options. Choose coverage for your entire life or fixed term. Customize your plan with 4 benefit options: lump sum, life partner, fixed income, or increasing income. The with return of premium option ensures you receive your premiums back if you survive until maturity. Enjoy built-in coverage for the terminal illness and enhance your protection with optional riders. Next, we shall look at the benefits of PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan. First, death or terminal illness benefit. For option 1, lump sum option, an amount which is equal to the sum assured on death is payable as lump sum. For option 2, life partner, both the policyholder, the first life and his or her spouse, the second life are covered. The lump sum amount payable in respect of each life is equal to the sum assured on death in respect of each life. Next, option 3, fixed income. Sum assured on death shall be payable which is equal to 100 times of monthly income chosen at the time of inception plus fixed monthly income payable over 10 years, that is 120 months in installment. Option 4, increasing income. Sum assured on death shall be payable which is equal to 100 times of monthly income chosen at the time of inception plus increasing monthly income payable over 10 years, 120 months in installment, increasing at 10% simple interest per annum. Next, maturity benefit. Maturity benefit will be zero if without return of premium option is chosen under the policy. Maturity benefit is payable only if with the return of premium option is chosen. The maturity benefit is equal to the sum assured, guaranteed sum assured on maturity. For option 1, option 3 and option 4, sum assured on maturity is 100% of total premiums paid. For option 2, the guaranteed sum assured on maturity varies based on the survival of the partners. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan. First, advantages. Special premium rates are available for female policyholders. Death benefit can be customized based on the chosen plan option. Reduced premium rates are offered for selecting a higher sum assured. Next, disadvantages. Loans are not available under this plan. If you choose the without return of premium option, there will be no maturity benefit. The without return of premium option does not provide a surrender value as well. The PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan provides life coverage for a fixed term or up to 99 years of age. If the policyholder survives and has selected the return of premium option, they receive a lump sum as maturity benefit. However, there is no maturity benefit under the without return of premium option. The premiums paid are simply returned at maturity without any value additions, resulting in a zero return on investment. Let's illustrate this with an example from the policy brochure. A 30-year-old male chooses PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan with a sum assured of rupees 1 crore. He selects policy term of 30 years with a premium payment term of 15 years and opts for with return of premium benefit. The annual premium is rupees 28,600. At the end of the policy term, he receives a maturity benefit of 4.29 lakhs. However, the internal rate of return for this cash flow is zero. While the return of premium feature is promoted as an advantage, in reality, it offers no real benefit to the policyholder. In fact, policies with a return of premium typically have higher premiums compared to those without this feature. We will explore this further in the next section. Opting for a pure term life insurance policy without profit or return of premium options is the most effective way to protect your family from uncertainties. These policies offer substantial life coverage at an affordable premium. For achieving life goals, it is advisable to invest separately based on your risk tolerance, enabling you to build a necessary corpus over time. Let's consider the same scenario with a life cover of rupees 1 crore. The premium for a pure term life insurance policy is 21,300 with a policy term of 30 years and a premium payment term of 15 years. By choosing a pure term policy, you save rupees 7,300 annually, which can be invested separately. High risk investors might lean towards equity investments, while those with lower risk tolerance may prefer debt instruments. We have analyzed both the options, a PPF account for debt and an ELSS fund for equity. In the PPF account, the final value would be 5.53 lakhs with an IRR of 1.11%. While this return might seem modest, it highlights the return of premium policy policies charge a higher premium only to repay it at the end of the term without real growth. On the other hand, the final pre-tax value in the ELSS fund would be 16.68 lakhs with a post-tax value of 14.89 lakhs. The combined IRR for the ELSS investment and a pure term policy is 5.44%, which is a post-tax return. This calculation illustrates that by saving on premiums through pure term policies, you can create an opportunity to invest and grow your savings, thereby building the necessary corpus for your life goals. Here is our final verdict on PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan. Securing your family from uncertainties is a fundamental step in financial planning. Before embarking on your investment journey, it is essential to ensure you have adequate life insurance, health coverage, and an emergency fund in place. The PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan is a life insurance policy that offers coverage for a fixed term or for your entire life. If you survive the policy term, it returns the premiums paid. There are two key aspects to consider with the PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan. First, a whole life cover that extends beyond your working years may not be necessary and only serves to increase your premiums, and also it has a high agent commission. Second, the return of premium option, while appealing, comes at the cost of higher premium. These factors make PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan less suitable for your insurance needs. Instead, a pure term life insurance policy and a separate investments for your life goals is a more effective strategy for your insurance and investment needs. For a well-rounded financial plan that includes insurance, investment, and tax planning, it is wise to consult a certified financial planner. Their expertise can help you choose the best options tailored to your personal financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. A detailed review of PNB MetLife Aajeevan Suraksha plan is available as a blog post on our website, and the link is given in the description.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.